Good morning, Zayden. Oh, you eating your cereal by yourself? Mm-hmm. You want to sing your ABCs with me? Well, maybe not while you're eating. Huh? You want to? Want to try it? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, come on, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Here's the tissue. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay!
Let's try.
Oh, what about your numbers? Can you count to 10? Say 1, 2.
Mama.
That's okay. Say good day, everybody.
Here you go.
Thank you. Good boy. Can eat all by yourself? What happened? You spilled it?
Yeah.
Make a mess.
Nothing. Nothing.
You clean up. You clean up. Good job.
I go.
Thank you.